In this video, you're going to learn practical ways to grow your net worth faster in 2026. When people are asked about their biggest financial goal, the most common answer isn't buying a house or retiring early. It's simply increasing net worth. And here's the good news. If you apply even one of the strategies in this video consistently, your net worth will start moving in the right direction. Let's start with the first one. Method number 1. The 1% decision rule. One of the fastest ways to grow net worth is surprisingly simple. Spend less on non-essential purchases. This is where the 1% rule comes in. Before making any discretionary purchase, pause if it costs more than 1% of your current net worth. For example, a $20,000 net worth, pause on purchases above $200. A $50,000 net worth, pause above $500. The idea isn't to never spend, it's to slow down impulse decisions. Here's why this matters. Spending just 1% of a $20,000 net worth every month adds up to $2,400 per year. That's 12% of your entire net worth disappearing annually. Over decades, small habits like this can quietly cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost investment growth. This rule is especially powerful below a $100,000 net worth because the early stages are where progress feels slowest. Later on, once momentum builds, you can relax this rule. But by then, the habit of thinking twice is already locked in. A simple trick: wait a week or even a month before committing to a large purchase. Time reveals whether it's something you truly value or just a short-term urge. Method number 2. Stop trading time for money. If your income is tied directly to hours worked, your net worth will grow, but slowly. The fastest wealth builders focus on performance-based income, not time-based income. This means earning money based on results, ownership, or outcomes. Think commissions, equity, profit sharing, or scalable work. For example, a commission-based role like real estate often pays similarly for selling a $1 million home versus a $3 million home, but the payout is dramatically different. The trade-off? These paths require self-motivation and accountability. Hourly jobs can still build wealth, but disconnecting income from time gives your net worth far more upside. Method number 3. Invest all windfalls. At different points in life, unexpected money shows up. Bonuses, tax refunds, inheritances, or one-time payouts. The best move? Pretend that money never existed. In reality, that's hard, so here's a realistic compromise. Spend 10%, invest the remaining 90%. Even a $3,000 annual refund invested consistently can grow into well over 6 figures over time. Windfalls don't build wealth unless they're treated differently from regular income. Method number 4. Widen the gap. Net worth grows fastest when the gap between income and expenses widens. There are only 2 ways this happens. Income rises while expenses stay flat. Expenses drop while income stays the same. 3 practical ways to do this. 1. Strategic job changes. Switching roles often resets your pay closer to market value. 2. Ruthless expense optimization. Track spending, identify bloated categories, and cut aggressively. 3. High-value skills. Skills like data analytics, programming, digital marketing, trades, or specialized services can double income over time. Spending 6 to 12 months learning a valuable skill can permanently raise your earning ceiling. Method number 5. Track your net worth. Most people don't know their net worth, and what isn't measured rarely improves. Net worth equals assets minus liabilities. Tracking it quarterly is enough to create awareness and momentum. Attention creates progress. Method number 6. Control lifestyle momentum. As income rises, lifestyle spending naturally wants to follow. That's where wealth stalls. Big expenses like cars, housing, and vacations quietly consume future net worth. Buying more doesn't always lead to more happiness, but it almost always delays financial freedom. Delay status purchases. Prioritize meaningful experiences. Let wealth grow first. Method number 7. Keep more of what you earn. Growing net worth isn't only about making more, It's also about losing less to taxes. 3 core ideas. Use tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Let investments compound without constant tax friction, and use losses strategically to offset gains when possible. Over decades, tax efficiency alone can add years of financial progress. Method number 8. Negotiate everything. Negotiation is uncomfortable, but extremely profitable. A single salary negotiation can be worth tens of thousands over time. The same applies to insurance, utilities, services, contracts. Most companies won't offer savings unless asked, but asking costs nothing. Method number 9. Automate your money. Discipline fails. Systems don't. Automate bills, savings, investments, debt payments. If money moves automatically, decisions disappear, and consistency wins. You can't see what you never see. Method number 10. Increase financial intelligence. Financial literacy compounds faster than money. Understanding concepts like compounding, tax efficiency, behavioral psychology, risk management leads to better decisions for decades. Most of this knowledge is free. Wealth isn't built by the highest earners, it's built by the best decision makers. If you want to stay ahead financially, keep learning, keep optimizing, and stay consistent. And if you found this useful, check out the next video where we break down how to get ahead of 99% of people financially. See you there.